Before we start looking at this item, I just want to mention that once you buy this on Amazon, you're stuck with it. I couldn't return it. It said, I don't know, some kind of chemicals or something having to do with this item that I'm unable to actually mail it back to them. So, you know, that happens with some other products. Very few, but it does happen. Happens with the magnets. Once you buy it, you're stuck with it. So if you buy a magnet of this item on Amazon, you won't be able to return it. I didn't look at the return policy. I actually ended up buying a really large regular whiteboard, which I'm looking forward to get, and it was on special, so I wanted to return this to save the money. But I guess I'm going to use this at another location. It's going to be in the office. It'll be, I'm trying to figure out to either put it in the back of this door or the front of this door. I'm not sure. I'm going to ask the wife. We'll conference in regards to it and figure it out. And so this is the actual item. Can't see much of it. It's wrapped in plastic. I purchased these in the past on Amazon. I think I've done a video on them. Not this specific one, but similar one. I paid a lot cheaper than what I paid. There's nothing else in the box. I guess it comes with a marker. I bought a few of them at Walmart. The whiteboard erasable markers. And yeah, it looks very similar to the one I purchased, but I paid a lot lower price than the $10 I paid here. It was like one of those buy luck, run into Amazon type of things, and then I paid $5 for like 5 rolls of these. Yeah, they look about the same. It looks like the same type of paper, same thing. So we're going to put it in the back of the door, and I'll show you. I might actually just make this, if I have some left over, put it on my whiteboard here, my white table, to make this even wider. It seems strong though. I think the one I purchased before was a lot thinner. This feels a lot thicker. So this might be higher quality. But we're gonna put it in the back of the door, right on it, and we'll let you know how we like it. Or don't like it. Well, we have to like it because we have to keep it. So let's hope that we really, really like it. So let's get to putting it on. I think it came out great. It looks awesome. Fits the door perfectly. I'm off by 1/4 inch, centering it. Hopefully you can't tell. Hopefully nobody else could. But it looks good. I really, really like it. It's gonna be nice to be using it. I used a piece of duct tape, Gorilla duct tape, to tape it on the top, just to make sure that it doesn't fall down, just to give it some kind of extra hold on the top. But it went all the way down the door, and now we can write in the back. This will be used for letting the kids know about assignments that are due and anything we need to do. I love whiteboards. I love writing things down all the time. I have, I made a video on the, I think it's called Cortec, the glass ones. Those are awesome, but they're kind of pricey. I bought them on special, but this is a lot cheaper. This is $10, so it's not much of of a big cost. So about an inch difference. Hopefully nobody notices it, and don't tell anybody. I think he came out great. It's a whiteboard. You can write with a marker. Let me find one. Dry erase, bought it at Walmart. Nice, awesome. Now let's see how well it erases. Nice and easy. Awesome. All right. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Whiteboard sticker paper self-adhesive peel and stick dry erase boards message board wall decal for kids home working office home 17.7 x 78.7 inches by HAMIGAR. Cost, $9.99. Purchased on Amazon. Super easy to apply. €1 just need to peel and stick. The grid's design on the backing protective paper makes cutting easier. Size, 17.7 x 78.7 inches, one roll will cover, 1,392 square in. Cost-effective whiteboard paper. €1 can be cut and pasted to any flat place you want to become a post-it note. It's a cheap and convenient message board for homeowners or renters. Perfect alternative to expensive whiteboards. €1. Not only is our whiteboard cheap and durable, it is easy to install, requires no drilling, and more importantly, it is free of chalk dust. Installation tips. €1. Make sure the wall is clean and flat before installation. It's better to peel and paste at the same time. Dishwashing liquid will make your whiteboard paper clearer and last longer. 90-day warranty. €1. If you are not 100% satisfied, please email US seller immediately before taking any action. We will solve your problem within 24 hours, prevent from causing unnecessary loss. Product description. Whiteboard paper product information. Technical details. Manufacturer HAMIGAR. Brand name HAMIGAR. Item weight 11.2 ounces. Package dimensions 17.8 x 1.5 x 1.5 inches. Color white. Material type paper. Size 17.7 x 78.7 inches. Manufacturer part number 202000531WB45200A. Additional information. ASIN B089FJ16CT.